Do you often wonder how this 3D looking like editable text is being made? Well, worry no more. And trust me, it's not complicated. It's as easy as sipping a glass of water. Alright, grab your text too. Let's type in our word love. Increase the size. Make sure you're using a bold font. If you're using a thin font, you won't really get what you want. So here I'm using Franklin Gothic Heavy. Yeah, so let's increase the size. I'm going to change the color. Go to your swatches panel and change the color to, you can use any color, but just use a contrasting color that will make it look more 3D like. So I'm using this light red. Yeah, click on OK. Right, so I'm just going to copy it, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl F to paste. So I'm reducing the size, holding down Shift and Alt. Right, then I want to just change the color to a darker color. Just like I said, you have to use a contrasting color. So a bit contrasting, but it should be contrasting. Alright, so I'm using red. Click on OK. And it should change to red. Take it to the back. To highlight the two stuffs, go to Object. Here, Blend. Just click on Make. Right? And voila! This is your 3D like stuff. But if you notice, it's a bit rich. It's not smooth. So all you need to do, go back to this here in your toolbar. This is the blend tool. Double click it. Then make sure you're in specified steps, not smooth color, specified steps. Then increase the size of this to make it smoother. If you will notice, it's becoming smoother and smoother. And there you have it. Just click on OK. And voila, you're done. Right, you can adjust it by double clicking on the letter. It will take you to isolation mode. Here you can click on the first text to adjust it. You can adjust it any direction that you want. You can change the color by double clicking on the swatch. When you selected the text, you can change it to black, red, whichever color, you can change it. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Let's go back to the previous color. You can edit it. Let's edit it. Right, watch the magic. I sing love. Yeah. And that's that. Voila, you're done. And just say thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Until next time, see you soon. You can also watch my other tutorials on Adobe Illustrator Basic series. Enjoy. See you soon.